Hey, hello and welcome. I hope you have been doing great. It's almost the end of November, and I don't know about you, but the weather here has gone really chilly and nice, and it feels like winter, which is a rare thing to happen in Hyderabad because the weather is really warm for most of the time. So this is an amazing time of the year, and I thought for this video I'm going to share with you what we did for kind of Thanksgiving. It was the first introduction of Thanksgiving for my son, and I think the best part of living in different countries and places is that you pick up on the culture because you have been there, part of that culture for so long. And that is exactly why we celebrate Thanksgiving most of the year, sometimes in a small way. Like this year, because of the pandemic, obviously we didn't invite anybody. It was only like for us at home, and it was very scaled down, very simple Thanksgiving dinner. Yeah, but I think having stayed in US for a considerable amount of time and having celebrated it with friends there, I think it is something that has sort of like footprint in my mind. So we do it on a very small scale, obviously for the family most of the time. Sometimes we invite in friends, but this year, like everybody else, it has been a very pared down Thanksgiving, very small, just for us. But I thought you would have some fun just going through it. And then, of course, the other big event was I did go out to meet one of my friends, which was after like 9 months of being at home. So I literally went out to meet somebody, had a quick catch up, and then was back home. So this is a fun video. So get yourself your cup of tea and coffee and something to nibble on. And yep, we'll get started. Okay, I'm back. I'm not sure which is a good angle and how weird it looks. But anyways, today is Thanksgiving, and I thought I'm going to take you along the ride with me. And we're doing a simple Thanksgiving meal, nothing elaborate, but the fact that we are doing well in this pandemic and everything is fine is worth, a Thanksgiving meal for me. It's also an introduction to Thanksgiving to my kid. So yeah, let's, cook. You can see a lot of items right there. That is the chicken, which is marinated and ready. We have potatoes here for mashed potato that I'm going to peel right now, put it here with heavy cream and butter. And of course there's going to be turkey. Didn't buy the whole turkey, but I did see it in Qmart. But what I will do is I will do just like turkey slices with mashed potato and gravy. All right, come on in. Alright, here you have the full-on chicken, which is marinating in potatoes boiled. I'm going to peel here for mashed potato, like I said, with heavy cream and butter. And what else? The kitchen is messy right now. I have pressure cooker going on with a bunch of potatoes again. All right, I do hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any comments or if you did celebrate Thanksgiving in your own way, don't forget to let me know. And if you like content like this, please do subscribe. It means a lot to me. And I'll see you next week. Thanks again. Bye bye.